Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here at Ingredients Hub, a game-changing B2B e-commerce marketplace that's making ingredient sourcing faster, easier, and more efficient for buyers like you, whether you're an FMCG manufacturer, an ingredients distributor, a trader, or a large-scale producer. Finding the right ingredients at the best prices can be a challenge. But what if I told you there's a one-stop platform designed to simplify your procurement process, give you access to verified suppliers, and ensure competitive pricing? That's exactly what we'll be discussing today. I'll be sitting down with Mansi Agrakar, co-founder of Ingredients Hub, to explore how this platform is empowering buyers, cutting procurement hassles, and revolutionizing B2B sourcing. If you're looking for cost-effective, reliable, and seamless ingredient procurement, you won't want to miss this conversation. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll make sure to ask them in the interview. Let's dive in. Hi, Mansi. Ingredients Hub is creating quite a buzz in the B2B market. Since its launch, it has become a go-to-marketplace for all ingredients buyers. Can you tell us about the key benefits for buyers on your platform?
Absolutely. At Ingredients Hub, we make it incredibly easy for the buyers to find exactly what they need. Our platform offers an easy search and select option, allowing buyers to quickly filter and compare products from a wide range of suppliers.
That's really convenient. What about connecting with suppliers? How does that work?
Initially, the buyers can place orders directly with their trusted suppliers, and if the desired product is not available, then they can create personalized or general product requests. This allows the buyer to connect with the supplier who has that requested product, thus simplifying the process of requesting products or samples and securing the best deals.
Once they've selected their products, what pricing options are available for buyers?
To simplify purchasing, we provide best negotiated pricing. Buyers can view prices based on the minimum order quantity set by the suppliers, enabling them to make cost-effective and informed decisions.
And how quickly can they make a purchase?
With our buy now option, buyers can immediately place an order with a few clicks, streamlining the buying process and saving time.
Managing payments for bulk orders can be challenging. How does Ingredients Hub make it easier?
We offered a range of payment solutions tailored to meet every buyer's needs. Buyer can use their business credit card to purchase ingredients, benefiting from a credit period of 15 to 50 days, depending on their billing cycle. Additionally, a buy now, pay later option will soon be available based on the buyer's track record over 6 to 12 months.
That sounds like a great solution for managing cash flow.
Exactly. It allows businesses to keep operations running smoothly without the stress of immediate large payments.
Let's talk logistics. Once an order is placed, how do buyers manage their purchases?
Once the buyer completes the ordering process, the supplier arranges shipment on a to-pay basis using the trusted transporter, thus ensuring the goods safety until they reach the buyer. Alternatively, the supplier can opt to dispatch the goods through our affiliated transporters as well.
Are there multiple payment options as well?
Yes, buyers can choose from multiple payment options, including credit cards, bank transfers, or even deferred payment plans. So it makes convenient as possible to complete the transaction.
It sounds like Ingredients Hub really makes buying ingredients a hassle-free experience.
That's exactly what we're aiming for. We want to give buyers all the tools they need to streamline their purchasing, track shipments, and manage payments all in one place.
What an insightful conversation. Thank you all for joining me today as we explored how Ingredients Hub is transforming B2B ingredient sourcing. If you're a manufacturer, distributor, or trader looking for a seamless way to source high-quality ingredients at the best prices, now is the time to take action. Sign up today on Ingredients Hub and unlock a world of trusted suppliers, competitive deals, and effortless procurement. Have questions or need assistance? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update on the future of B2B sourcing. Happy sourcing with Ingredients Hub!